Dear student, how are you? I hope you are well. I am also well. Presented Muhammad Abdul Sabur, Assistant Teacher, SBR Shahidkali High School, Bagarpara, Joshua. Subject English second paper, class 9. Read the following sentence. By reading attentively, you will pass in the exam. You will read attentively, you will pass in the exam. Do or die. Without doing, you will die. Dear student, what do you see? You see the sentence and some sentence, many kinds of sentence. Today our topic is changing sentence. Our topic is changing sentence. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, learners will be able to know simple, complex and compound and some change sentence. Sentence according to structure: simple, complex and compound. Simple sentence. When a sentence contains one subject, only for one subject and one finite verb, it is called a simple sentence. In some Bengali meaning and some example. I wanted to play cricket. Having forgotten him, I went outside the cabin. I saw him running. Complex sentence. When a sentence contains one principal verb, one principal clause and more than one subordinate clause, it is called complex sentence. And some Bengali meanings. যে সেন্টেন্সে একটি মাত্র প্রিন্সিপাল ক্লজ এবং এক বা একাধিক সাবঅর্ডিনেট ক্লজ থাকে তাকে কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্স বলে। ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, you do some individual work only for three options and three items. You will answer that principal verb and subordinate clause. It is known to all principal clause and subordinate clause that he is a good teacher. Complex sentence generally as since, when, who, which, where, what, that, why, while, after, before, if, whether, unless, till, until, so that, because, though, although, in order that, hardly, sincerely, behaviourly used in it. And compound sentence. A compound sentence is a sentence which has more than one principal clause. And some Bengali meaning. Example: he is poor but he is honest. Here it is but he is compound. And the sunset and we went home, and the compound sentence or the compound sentence used in it. And the rules or structure: simple, complex and compound sentence. Compound short meaning CD, complex short name CX, simple short name SM. Compound but, complex though although, simple in spite of, despite, plus possessive plus verb plus ing. Compound or negative, complex if you do not, simple without plus verb plus ing. Compound and affirmative, complex if you do, simple by plus verb plus ing. Compound and complex when or since or as, simple verb plus ing. However, next option, change the sentence into simple and complex individually. He is poor. He is poor, but he is honest. The old man has 7 children, but he lives alone. Study hard or fail. Do the work, and I shall pay you a handsome amount. Surely you will be answer to avail. So I will collect some answer. He is poor, but he is honest. Answer simple. In spite of his being poor, he is honest. Complex. Though or although he is poor, he is honest. Number B. The old man has 7 children, but he lives alone. Simply, in spite of the old man having 7 children, he lives alone. Complex, though he old man has 11 children, he lives alone. Number C, study hard or fail. Without study hard, you will fail. If you do not study hard, you will fail. And last, do the work and I shall pay you a handsome amount. By doing the work, I shall pay you handsome money. If you do the work, I shall pay you a handsome money. Homework. Change the following sentence as directed. When we went to his office, we found him absent. Simple. I gave him not only money but also good advice. Complex. As soon the policy arrived, the crowded disappeared compound. Thank you all. Thank you everybody.